Hi everyone, it's Deb back again, and I've got another 12 by 12 process video. Excuse me. I got this collection and it's close to my heart. I'm not sure what it's called. I'll have to put the name of it down below. I won it at a scrapbook retreat, the Kidaholics scrapbook retreat, and I think I might have been a few years ago. So pulled it out and I'm so sorry. I should have known not to start recording at 3 o'clock. It goes down every day at the same time. So I pulled it out and I've been trying to get into my stash and use what I've got and get in and play with things that I haven't even opened. Like, this is the first time I have pulled this out, and I came across this pattern paper that had all the different strips on it, so I cut them down and I'll cut them in different lengths going across. I got this sheet, the floral sheet, out because it was I love florals, and it had excuse me, the dark background as well, so I thought it would make a good frame around my layout. So I'm just gutting the center of that because I will use the florals. I will fussy cut some of the florals to use as embellishments. Now this this collection comes with a sticker sheet or a sticker book. I know there were stickers in there, and there was cut apart, like the cut apart 4x6 and 3x4s in there, so I do cut them. Some of the florals I fussy cut from the cut aparts, and the sticker sheet I grabbed what I wanted from that and just popped it on a piece of paper and cut around it, essentially making it a die cut. So I've just put a little tiny bit of glue under each of them strips and on my white cardstock because I am going to stitch. I've been stitch crazy lately. I've just really been enjoying it. So just stitching a border around on that white cardstock, and I will stitch down the center of each of them strips as well, just to add a bit of extra texture. And you would have seen at the start I made some photo kind of placement cards. The white cardstock, I use that as like a photo placement. So my idea was to have 4x3 photos going down the page there. So that's what the white cardstock. I will put a photo mat under each one of them. At the moment I'm cutting the stickers out that I've stuck down on paper, and I will do some fussy cutting as well from the other sheets of paper. now I'm sticking down my photo mats, and even though I've got the ruler there, I still managed to get it crooked. I do fix that up. I think I might have fixed the bottom one up on camera, but then I realized the top one was off as well, so I fixed that up. And then I'm going to stick down my embellishments. So that large floral will be bumped up on fun foam, and I'll tuck flowers underneath it. Now when I have something overlapping the photos there, I only glue down excuse me, on the side that's not going to touch the photo mats, if that makes sense. So when I do put photos on here, or any layout that I make like this, they can easily be tucked under anything that's overhanging onto the photo mats. So just gluing that down. Oh, excuse me. There are puffy gold hearts up to on the top left of my layout. I do believe I pulled it out because I've won a couple of close to my heart collections, and I pulled all 3 of them out to have a look and play. And I do believe the gold puppy hearts were in one of the other collections. I'm not 100% sure on that, but I'm when I was pulling them out, some of them had embellishments like that, and the other ones were just the paper. So I also cut some word strips out from the pattern paper, and yeah, so just sticking down my embellishments. Then I'll pop some of them gold hearts on the layout, and I'm pretty sure that's all I do. Yeah, I don't think I added any splatters or anything on this one. Yeah. So yeah, just the puppy gold hearts, and that will be it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to try and have a few more videos on my channel this year. And excuse me for my voice. I am definitely coming down with something, and I'm all blocked up, and now I can feel my voice is going. So alrighty, well, that is it for this one, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.